Okay, one more way to manage packages on an Ubuntu server, and that is with an app called Aptitude. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. It's sudo apt install. This does not come installed by default. Sudo apt install aptitude. Yes, I want to go ahead and install the software. Aptitude creates a menued system for working with packages. So in that sense, it's very, very convenient. And as its name suggests, it works with apt packages as well. So now that I've got it installed, I'm going to go ahead and start Aptitude. And here is Aptitude. So we have a nice little menu system here, and then we see our installed packages, not installed packages, virtual packages, tasks, and then we can go through and navigate down and look at all of them. So here are my not installed packages, and then I can look at it by type. So let me look at admin packages, and let me look at fully supported free software, and here they all are. So the P here indicates that this is a package that I can go ahead and use. In addition to navigating through it that way, I can hit Control T to pop up my top level menu. And this will allow me to update my package list. So that's the same as the apt update. I can upgrade, mark packages that are available to be upgraded. And then I can play Minesweeper if I get bored and become root. I'm actually going to quit out of here because I just realized I started that without going into my administrative view. Okay, so this is going to give me a little more options. So I'm going to hit Control T to bring up, whoops, wrong thing. Control T. And I want to come over to my search and I want to try to find Nmap. And okay, so that shows me my Nmap common. And this tells me a little bit about it. I can also hit my / to look for the next instance of Nmap. And I can keep looking until I find my Nmap. Now, if I decide I want this, I can hit my plus key on my keyboard. And that is now marked as I, which means it's ready to be installed. I could also go Control T to get to my top level menu and then click here's my install, reinstall, remove, purge. And then over on the right, you're going to see the keys, keystrokes that are equivalent. So once I've got, and I can select multiple things to install here or uninstall or whatever. So you'll see on here by this, it says install Nmap. It's going to add 4,499 kilobytes. This is a version of it. Okay. When I've got everything that I want done, all my installs marked, uninstalls marked, I can hit, and you'll see here across your top level menu, G to go do it. So some of the packages that were broken have been fixed. Hit OK. Packages to be installed. Yep. Let's go ahead and hit G to do it again. And here we go. We are installing Nmap from Aptitude. Okay, Nmap is installed. Press return to continue. That brings me back here. And then I can queue to quit out of Aptitude. Now, that is just another tool, and it's not managing snap packages, it's managing apt packages. But it's another tool to allow you to look for, find, and try to manage your software rather than just using apt and having to know what packages you already have installed. The nice little menuing system makes it fun to work with sometimes. So there we go. We have managed packages, so installed and removed software with apt, snap, and aptitude.